welcome in this one. This is going to be the start of a long playlist of tips and tricks on how to use your drone better, and safety will be the highest priority. So starting by really beginner stuff, and we're going to go ahead to how to take photos, how to take videos, and how to, get the best out of them. I've been flying a drone for almost 6 years now, and I have to say that I've seen quite a few stuff that happen, even not the best people, but they can't be avoided. So what I mean by learning everything, you need to learn everything about your drone, like how the propellers go on, how it operates, how the gimbal works, everything physically that there is about the drone. You need to know about it, the controller, but more importantly, the application that you connect your phone with, or the application in general. You want to learn how it operates, what all the buttons do, because when you go out to fly and you're trying to get something nice, something good from a place you've never been, again, you need to know what everything means and what everything does. So what is the satellite signal versus the RC control signal? So you need to know those differences and the things that they pop up in your screen, like obstacle avoidance and these different components. It's not super complicated, but it is a learning process. So before you click the on your drone, you have some homework to do. The internet is full of those tips and tricks, but this is a very good place to start. So click that subscribe button. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. More tips are going to be coming, so make sure you hit the bell and the like so the algorithm knows that you want to know more. Until the next time, a very happy place to be. That's here. Cheers.